Now, my darlings, this is the real reason you think that you are always singing off key. So if you watch this video, I'm going to show you the real reason why you always sing off key, why you think that you are tone deaf. And after showing you the reason, I'm going to tell you what to do so that going forward, you will stop singing off key. Because I know it embarrasses you a lot, right? It makes you feel bad. It makes you feel not happy that they'll be playing a piece of music and you'll be singing on another key. You know, many of you will be asking what I have here. This is a melodica. I have it for sale in my school. But if you're not in Nigeria and want to buy it, you can walk into any music store and get it. It's very good for singers. Like, I've been testing it on my voice students and the result has been wonderful. So now back to topic. How do you correct the tone deaf issue? Now, why I said you should get this is that look at what it's going to do. If you don't have a keyboard, you can use a piano for it too. Many people are tone deaf because they can't really hear it. It's not their fault. It's not because they intentionally want to sing out of key or out of notes. It's because they are not hearing it. So they need to train their ear. Now, some of the causes of singing off key is because you have said in your head that I hope I don't miss it. People have constantly told you that you sing off key. So every time you want to sing, you're afraid whether you're singing off key. For example, someone plays this. I hope I don't miss this. Oh, you see, I've gone off. But if I am confident, someone plays this. Because I'm confident, I will definitely get it. Now, even if you are confident and you do not have this next thing I'm going to show you, you will still sing off key. And I still don't have this next thing, my dear, I will still sing off key. And what is that thing? It is breath support. You need to engage your breathing muscles. This is how to breathe in for singers. And then you breathe out. So you engage it. You engage it like this. Can try squatting. Rise, squat. Rise. Good. You relax. So when you hear it, then remember to be confident. So if you want to watch more videos on how to find your voice, how not to copy other singers, I have a lot of videos on that. You can watch the playlist whereby I have a lot of videos that's going to guide you to sing effectively, to find the unique voice that God has given you to sing with. So now, do not just stop here. Watch this next video and learn more about your voice.